Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Contract Simplified. I am Advocate Kritika here, and in today's video, we are going to talk about an important clause that often gets overlooked, the counterpart clause. This clause specifies that the contract can be signed in multiple copies or counterpart, and all those copies together make up the full agreement. But if it's not drafted properly, it can lead to confusion. Now, let's look at a version of the counterparts clause and see how we can improve it. Here is an example of counterparts clause. This agreement may be executed in counterparts, and each counterpart shall be deemed an original. At first glance, it seems okay, right? The clause mentions that the agreement can be signed in counterpart, but it lacks some crucial details that would make it more comprehensive and clearer. Let's dig deeper into how we can improve this. While this clause is not necessarily wrong, it's vague and leaves out some important details that could cause confusion later. For instance, what happens if the counterparts are exchanged electronically? Doesn't clarify whether electronic signature or faxed copies are acceptable. How many counterparts are required? Doesn't specify how many counterparts need to be signed or if it's necessary for all parties to sign one counterpart or separate counterparts. Let's improve this clause by making it more specific and practical. This agreement may be executed in one or more counterparts, each of which shall be deemed an original, and all of which together shall constitute one and the same instrument. Signatures may be delivered by electronic means, including by email or fax, and shall have the same force and effect as original signature. Now, let's break down the improvements. Firstly, clarifies the number of counterparts. The revised clause specifies that the agreement can be executed in one or more counterparts, making it more flexible depending on the number of parties involved. Second, it addresses electronic signature. By including electronic signature such as email or fax, this version allows for modern signing methods, which is crucial in today's business environment where physical meetings aren't always possible. Third, clear language. This phrase, all of which together shall constitute one and the same instrument, ensures there is no ambiguity about the counterparts being part of the same agreement. This revision makes the clause clearer, adaptable, and in line with modern practices. To quickly summarize, let's look at these 3 points. Firstly, specify the number of counterparts. Clearly state that the agreement can be signed in one or more counterparts to avoid any confusion about how many are needed. Second, address electronic signature. Make sure the clause allows for electronic means of delivery, especially since most of the contracts today are signed remotely. Third, make it clear that the counterparts together form one agreement. Ensure the clause specifies that all counterparts, when combined, make up the same agreement. A well drafted counterparts clause ensures that signing the agreement is easy, efficient, and legally binding, no matter how many copies are signed or how they are exchanged. That's all for today's video. I hope this helped you to understand how to draft or review a counterparts clause that is clear, adaptable, and future proof. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions or comments below. I'm happy to answer them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.